Hello everyone, my name is Dongyan. I'm a PhD candidate at Mila and McGill University here in Montreal with Blake Richards. Today, I'll be presenting some data on the representations of space, time, and memory in deep reinforcement learning agents. Our experiment is inspired by the delayed non-matched sample task typically used to test working memory in rodents. The animal is placed in a triangular chamber with a touchscreen. In each trial, the animal receives a sample location on the touchscreen, either on the left or on the right. The animal will experience an interval during which it has to remember the location of the sample. After the interval, the animal will be given two choices on the touchscreen, and it has to choose the non-matched location to receive a reward. Our calcium imaging data from hippocampus C81 in mice suggested that neurons fire at consecutive moments during the delayed period, commonly referred to as time cells. Here, in both panels, the cells are sorted according to when they fire during the interval after the left sample. We can see that each cell have different activity patterns for left and right samples, suggesting that these firing sequences might serve as a neural substrate for maintaining working memory. And here is after we sort the firing sequence after the right sample as well. So we simulated this task in a video game-like environment and trained an actor-critic network with a convolutional encoder and a recurrent controller on this task. We recorded the hidden states of the LSTM layer throughout training. We discovered that during the mnemonic delay, the LSTM units in the artificial neural network also exhibited the time cell phenomenon, and different samples locations elicit different activation sequences in these LSTM units. Again, the cells are sorted according to the firing order following the left sample, and here is after we sort the cells following the right sample. Moreover, some LSTM cells exhibited activity patterns similar to place cells and splitter cells observed in rodent hippocampus. Here's an example of splitter unit whose hidden state activities are correlated with the agent's location. These splitter activities emerge naturally with or without memory demand and encode the sample. To summarize, our deep reinforcement learning network trained on working memory task exhibited spatial temporal representations similar to those observed in rodents. These representations may serve as a substrate to encode stimulus information during the mnemonic delay. Our results provided a computational model for the emerging spatial temporal representations in the brain on an algorithmic level. And lastly, I just want to say thank you to my lab, our collaborators, and our funding agencies for supporting our research.